Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. We are in the she shed today and I am canning sweet potatoes. I've got everything set up, my jars, my rings. I'm going to be using 4 jars today, and I've got my stainless funnel and my stainless spoon ladle here. Then we have a pot that has 6 quarts of water and 1.5 cups of sugar in it. That will make my light syrup to go in the jars. We have our 4 jars lids in here, and it says not to boil them, but this is a little burner that doesn't get hot. It just keeps stuff warm. It's like a warming eye. So I wanted my lids to be warm when they go in the jar. Here I have my canner. This is a Presto 16 with a jiggler that goes on top. We have it over here, ready to go with 10 pounds of pressure. I've got 3 quarts of water in there. That's all it takes. And we have our tongs, and we have a place to put our jars once they come out of the pot. Now I do have some white and I guess you would say red sweet potatoes, and we're going to be adding both. A little of each to it. The white, I don't have that many, but when you mix them in, it just gives it a good flavor, so I will be adding both. I just have to fill up the jar. We'll add the light syrup, cap it, and process sweet potatoes for 1.5 hours. That seems like a long time, but because of the thickness of sweet potatoes, you kind of want, this is the recommended by the ball book. Y'all get a ball book, I'm just telling you. I just kind of pack them down in there, and then add a couple more. You don't want them running out the top. You want them down from the top like this. You can see they're across there. We're going to fill up to this ring right here with the light syrup and process them, like I said, 1.5 hours. We fill with water. And this is the last one. I'm using a chopstick, anything to get down in there and kind of debubble and see that your water is up to the mark that you want, which is right here. You want it right in there. Then you wipe the top of the rim, vinegar. Make sure it's clean all the way around. And then we add our ring, our flat and our ring, and just finger tight. You don't want it too tight. And we are using 4 jars today. 7 jars of sweet potatoes going in. Alright, we've got the lid on, and we're going to wait until steam starts shooting out. And they say to wait 10 minutes after that before putting the weight on. And I do have my weight. This is 10 pounds. This thing is 5 and the extra is 10. If you're in a higher altitude, you would need the 15. I had a few extra sweet potatoes that I'd already peeled. I had a little bit of the light syrup left, so I'm going to go ahead and boil these while we're out here. I will have 7 quarts and Danny's sweet potato dessert ready all about the same time. 7 quarts of sweet potatoes canned with 4 jars. All of them sealed. I'm going to take the rings off tomorrow. We'll put them up. Y'all, the canning kitchen is closed. Bye, guys.